has two articulation points as well. The first one is when it's written as mad, but it's actually mad, non-mad. Non-mad means when it's not lengthened. So it's written like in English as mad, but it's pronounced as mad. Okay. The wow, when it is not, when it's unlengthened and with its consonant used as a consonant, then it is articulated from forming a circle of two lips without meeting them, and it would. So if you see here, okay, that's wow. This is wow. So the main force is here on the lips, and nothing else is involved. And when it is, the sound will be ow, ow. And that's when it is consonant. But when it is a vowel, then it's al-Jawf. Al-Jawf means the empty space. The empty space between the mouth and the throat. That is its articulation point. And it is pronounced as oo, oo, as a vowel. Okay. So that's the difference in different usage of wow. One is consonant, one is vowel. Okay, and different articulation points for both of them. For consonant, you use, for both of them, use lips, but the other parts are not involved, and focus is on the lips. And for the mad, it is the rest of the empty space of the mouth and the halq, the throat.